Land records. Until now, majority of the land records are in the paper format. The central government initiated steps to digitize the land records. It's conversion of land records from paper mode to digitalization mode. Means all the documents which are in the physical paper format will be scanned and saved for the purpose of better use and better retrieval, easy retrieval of the land records, and to reduce the disputes of land ownership will be more helpful with the digitization of land records. For this purpose, every step should be taken to scan the land records maintained by the state governments and the central governments and digitize them in a proper format with specific identification, retrievable information, retrievable flexibility, and easy accessible to landowners. This will enable the clear title to the landowners. And another advantage is this digitalization land records program undertaken under Digital Land Records Modernization Program by the Government of India. Means the program name is Digital India Land Records Modernization Program. This is the step taken by the central government to digitize the land records. And what are the advantages? What are the steps required? That is scanning the entire records with the identification marks, location, and also surroundings, boundaries, local, and all these details has to be made into digital format. And another thing is geographic confirmation also should be there. Means the land record should be geographically confirmed with the physical verification of lands. That will reduce the purpose, that will ensure the accuracy and perfection of the ownership or entitlement of titles to the landowners. This database is going to be maintained and centralized database that will ensure systematic storage and retrieval of digital land records for the purpose of landowners as well as the regulators also, maybe state government or central government. And also the proposal is to make the land records available through web portal so that the landowners, the land purchasers or sellers, the landowners can know their ownership of the lands, the location of the lands, surroundings and boundaries of the lands, and that will give a lot of assurance and clarity to the ownership and where the land disputes, the disputes relating to land transactions will be reduced drastically. What are the advantages of digitalization of land records? That is transparency in land ownership, boundaries, location, and land related transactions, and also reduce disputes of property owner disputes. There's a major advantage. And also management of land by the central government or for the purpose of usage, for the purpose of public use or infrastructure development or environmental protection like water resources, forest, and any other natural resources management also will be possible with digitalization of land records. And that will help the government to use the land for the purpose of the development or welfare of the development of the nation and welfare of the society. This improves the digitization of land records, improves the governance, quicker retrieval of information, and reduce the disputes, misunderstandings, and accessibility of land records. And this will give lot of data also available to make many transactions, and also to make better use of the lands available for the better purpose and higher productivity. This digitalization of land records program is initiated under National Land Records Modernization Program and Digital India Land Records Modernization Program. And these are initiatives undertaken by the central government to digitalize the land records. And this requires the support of state governments as well as the private individuals or registration offices, revenue records, as well as the forest owner forest idle land records, open land records, and also the lands allotted for residential purpose, industrial purpose, commercial purpose, infrastructure purpose. All these details will be all these details has to be systematically maintained to ensure the proper utilization, proper maintenance of digitalization of land records. What is the benefit? Main benefit is the clarity of ownership and transfer of titles, ownership of titles, and usage of title, better usage, and also the identification of location of the land along with boundaries, and all this will help to reduce the misunderstandings or disputes among the for the transactions entered to be entered into by individuals or governments or commercial organizations. These are the advantages of digitalization of Indian land records. Also, this digitalization of land records helps in allocating the usage of lands, maybe conversion of usage of lands for agriculture, industrial, residential, roads and airports, or railway projects, or water ponds, water resources, forest lands, idle lands. All this allocation can be made and also may be used for better use and higher productivity. And without the ultimate goal is to reduce the dispute or misunderstanding in the maintenance of management of land, ownership land records.